Hey guys, Pedro here from Gym Installations, and today I'm going to show you how to lubricate your treadmill. You can fix this yourself in about 10 minutes, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So why do you need to do this? When your treadmill came from the factory, it had lubrication between the belt and the deck right here. Over time, that lubrication dries up. When it's gone, you get friction. That friction causes your belt to wear out prematurely. And it also makes your motor work way harder than it should. And if you ignore it, you're looking at a burnt out motor, at a lower control board that is damaged, a belt that is not going to be working, and a deck that is going to have to be replaced. The fix, lubrication, so let's do it. All right, here's what you need. We're going to keep it simple. You will need a silicone-based lubricant. Definitely do not use WD-40 or any other kind of grease. You can grab this on Amazon for like $7. An Allen key or ratchet with the right bit for the tension bolt, a clean microfiber towel, and that's it. 3 things, so let's get started. First step, and this is important, we gotta unplug the treadmill. We're going to be working around the belt, and you do not want this thing to start up on you. Safety first. Now we need to loosen the belt so we can get underneath it. Come around to the back here. See this bolt? This controls the belt tension. We're going to grab the Allen key or the ratchet and insert it into the bolt, then turn it counterclockwise, and you'll want to do exactly 10 half turns. That's 180 degrees 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, same thing on the other side, 10 half turns counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the good stuff. Grab your silicone lubricant, lift the edge, and we're going to apply a thin line starting from the front. We're going all the way to the back. You don't need a ton, just a thin line is plenty. Now the same thing on the other side. Front to back, nice thin line. If it lets me, there we go. Front to back. Perfect. All right, now we tighten it back up. Same bolt, but this time we go clockwise. 10 half turns on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're gonna go to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Now we should be back at the same tension we started with, but we need to spread that lubricant evenly. So start by plugging it back in. Here we go. Okay. And now set it to a slow speed, about 1 mile per hour or 2 kilometers per hour. Let's get to 2 miles an hour. Now we just walk on it and shift our weight side to side. This spreads the lubricant across the whole deck. From back all the way to the front, the middle, and that should be good. Now the last thing, we'll make sure the belt is centered. Bump the speed up to about 3 to 4 miles. I usually go about 3.2. Now look at the gap on each side of the belt. They should be about the same. If the belt is drifting to one side, like in my case, give the bolt on the side with the smaller gap a half turn clockwise. 1. And I'll pull the belt to the center. If that belt isn't centered after 1 half turn, keep adding more half turns until you notice that it is perfectly centered. In this case, we see the space. It needs 2 more. 1, 2, an extra 1, and that is going to be perfect now. So that's how you properly lubricate your treadmill. In total, this should take you maybe 10 minutes. The total cost is about $7 for the lubricant. And compared to a service call or a new motor, you have saved yourself hundreds of dollars. Do this every 2 months or so and your treadmill will last for years. I'll put a link to the lubricant I use in the description. If this video helped you out, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We have got more videos coming on how to maintain and fix your home gym equipment. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if there's another machine you want us to cover. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.